Careful, I told you.
Late for feeding,
This is a different chicken feeder. Honey! No, Arlo, get back. Honey! Come here, baby.
นี่คือจอมยุทธเด้แต่ละมือแต่ละเว้นนี่โอ้ยปุ่มเทเวลาให้กับการฝึกฝนวิทยา
Tiny dog's body's in the bag, but his legs are already halfway down the street.
You are lazy. You're lazy. Come on. Up. Stop going back bed just because it's a bit dark outside.
Ready? Fetch. Good lad. Good lad.
She's happy.
What? That's her happy face? It looks like her mad face.
That's a pony. That's a pony.
Nah, that's a Doberman.
That's a...
It's your boy. No way I'm seeing this right now.
Play fighting with toys helps Doggo channel their natural prey drive.
Yes, I do know a thing or two about it.
Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Give me.
This isn't just fetch. This is childhood core memories in progress.
Please get him.
I bet he thinks he's reaching the sun.
I got it on film. I can't even.
What?
Claire, go open the door.
Why are you sitting like that? Oh my god. Oh! No! Turkey!
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Somebody said our meal portion has been downsized?
Alright, Midnight, go ahead.
Papa's sleeping peacefully, unaware he's been promoted to ball storage.
Now we know the cardboard box is still the ultimate toy in the animal kingdom. Goldie thinks the police car is just a new friend following them on a jog.
Video.
You want to see Big Sister? Here she comes.
Well, that door was clearly just a suggestion.
Oh my goodness, Rover. You're so cute. Why did you grow up? I just put you down for a nap and now your ears are up.
Who's here? Wow. Who's there? Who's right there?
When counting sheep is too mainstream, so you upgrade to cyclists.
¿De esos dientes de porcelana?
Ay, soy piraña. Están en el Amazonas.
It's a god alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us. He's full blood, right?
Okay.
The reason humans have to maintain their furniture regularly.
Family isn't always about biology. Sometimes you just share the same heart.
Maligator.exe has stopped working due to excessive affection. The spirit of a dolphin, but the coordination of a blender, so splashy. Dogs are incredibly tolerant of cats, so there's usually no drama at all. See ya! Two strangers are figuring out if the bus will ever show up.
Money?
What is... Huh?
Turkey.
Quack, quack.
Love you, puppy. Yeah.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
You're trying to hide.
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big ones.
Introducing Meow Maid, half cat, half mystery, all window drama.
Dude, are you okay?
Did you find this one?
Raccoon is treating that tap like a 5-star hydration station. This little guy's not running away. He's just coaching the officers on their cardio.
Why are you running
Look at this, man. It just...
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
괜찮아.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay, Ken. Here. Here.
Me after tasting Grandma's aged cheese, like...
Good morning. Hi, buddy. Did you sleep good? Okay, you crazy. You crazy.
Even the drowsiness takes drowsiness from him.
You guys hungry? Want something to eat? Got some pasta.
Bet this rabbit's thinking, mine, all mine.
You know what? The Bureau doesn't allow us to drink.
Coco.
Un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado por...
Why would I call the cops? Somebody broke into my house. That's evidence. That's witnesses.
Sago.
我累了。哎呦我操！
Every step is perfectly synced to imaginary music.
Looking for you, bitch! You motherfucker! Come on over here. Despracar Campo Verde ya en estos momentos. He broke the TV! No!
It's 6 a.m. and it's not playtime. Oh, let's play.
Are you gonna come in? Moscow. Hi. Do you want in now?
And they're lifting your hips up towards the ceiling.
Another treat? You want to get a treat? Oh! When I say the word treat, your paw seems absolutely fine.
No, it's not.
Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently.
Boneco maior aqui.
Excuse me, how much does it cost to have a dining room with a view of the ferret burrows? Me chasing my crush, 'cause love waits for no one, right?
Nine.
Oye, deja de venir a robarte cosas.
I bet he heard about the rising price of bone coin.
Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, así. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
You can't hide anything from a Mal. Are you snacking without him? I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution. when the suspect's top speed is 45 miles per hour and they don't have a license plate.
Push him! Push him! Push him! Get him, lad!
Gypsy.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere. Zoom, 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 zoom. I see you.
Only dogs can turn a grumpy man into a soft teddy bear.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
You can see his exact thought. Please don't slap me. Please don't slap me.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC dep.
The bear is literally thinking, why is this bro not fighting back?
It's a big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly. Receiving a 5G signal from a treat bag opened 3 neighborhoods away.
We left the house like 2 hours ago. More than. Archer. Archer bug. Archer.
Higher volume of pests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
You okay, Jeremy?
They jump. They really jump.
Hey, look at me! Ouch, ouch, ouch! Somebody help!
Come on, come on, come on.
Horsey decided the owner's lap is the official nap cushion.
Come on.
Trying to catch up, buddy? Hey? Yeah.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Guys, fish don't have fur, but these underwater comedians are absolutely hilarious. Try not to laugh.
Hello!
Hello!
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
No. Sono i voli!
This puppy clearly misunderstood crate training.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Bring him over here.
Let's see what you're doing.
No doubt their rent deposit is being used to fix up the fence.
No, 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 no.
Someone once said, if the dog goes first, it must be safe.
Action movies than others.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god. Give it up. Ôi.
Melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some.
His face says, "I'm so sorry," but his teeth say, "I'd do it again."
This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored.
Huge on the outside, a tiny fluff inside. Nana knows the truth.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a
The stairs just add that extra stadium feel to the match.
You. Give me the yarn.
Do you want it, buddy? Do you want it, buddy?
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Trying to bite a swimming pool is peak Malinois logic.
Stinkt dir das? Oh.
It's okay.
You got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage for her.
He's so cute.
Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory. People say cats are cold, so what on earth is this social butterfly? Wait until you see his castle. Gonna blow your mind.
Go potty. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery. Excuse me, sir.
Someone tell Officer Ney that those aren't giant orange carrots.